Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life, and I'm really excited for today's video as we are unboxing the Sunshine Vegan Deli Hamper that my mum ordered. Thank you, Mum.
You're more than welcome. We'd had a look on the site and was like, ooh, yeah, it'd be something for us to be able to have, and some of it can be frozen as well, which makes it even better.
Of course it does.
All the good times just begun.
I've undone the sides of the box.
Perfect. What's that, Mum?
That's the plant beef with Marmites.
Ooh. That one?
Whoa, this is the plant chicken and stuffing roast.
Ooh.
Well, they'd be nice to try.
It would be lovely, especially if we're coming up to Christmas.
Well, that's it.
That one?
This is the plant Turkish style kebab. Oh, I remember that. We enjoyed that before, didn't we?
We did. That one?
And that's the plant Turkish style kebab. Oh, the Mabel's vegan Yorkshire puddings.
Lovely.
Which I did order another box of them.
Thank you, Mum. Ooh, I know what these are.
What are they?
They're vegan eggs. They're vegan hard-boiled eggs.
That's it.
That's that side done. That one.
Ah, one of the plant pork cheese and pickle sausage rolls. And that's the plant chorizo pork.
Oh. These are Scotch eggs, Mum.
They are. These are the plant pork Scotch eggs, yeah. And that's the plant pork cheese and pickle.
That one.
And that's the other chorizo vegan sausage roll. That's the other plant pork cheese and pickle. The other Yorkshire puddings.
Oh.
And that's the plant pork and apple.
Oh.
And that's the other plant pork and apple. Oh, the plant pork and bacon pie.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing, isn't it, Mum?
It really does. And that's the plant gala pie.
Ooh. And this one, I think, is the last one. I'll double check.
And this is the plant pork bacon pudding.
Ooh.
Scotch egg.
Lovely. She does her, Mum.
I think that's a great idea.
This is the plant pork Scotch egg. Smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It does.
Remember these from before? They were lovely, weren't they?
They were amazing. As good as how you remember. Do you want to try one of the ones that we didn't? Yeah? Do you want to try the plant pork bacon pudding Scotch egg?
Oh my gosh, that sounds incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
There we go.
Thank you, Mum. Well, that smells incredible, doesn't it?
It does.
Are
they good?
Wow, that's absolutely incredible. I love the flavours so much. It's so delicious. And it's absolutely amazing to know as well that we've got the vegan eggs to try too.
That's it. Should we go and enjoy them?
I thought today we'd try one of the boiled eggs. Smells amazing, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
It's lovely to have the package of black salt too, isn't it, Mum?
It is.
That tastes absolutely amazing. I love the vegan boiled egg so much. It's so lovely and tasty. And I love the black salt too. It gives it such a eggy flavour too. Here is their cheese and pickle sausage roll. I love the smell of them so much, Mum, do you?
I do. The smell is so good.
Oh, wow. That flavour's absolutely incredible. I love it so much.
Here we go. I thought you might like to try some of the plant chicken stuffing roll.
Wow, I love the taste so much. It's absolutely incredible. The wonderful flavours are so lovely with the amazing flavours of the stuffing going through it too. I love the texture as well. And I'm really excited for when we try the plant beef and Marmite, because that's when we're going to try the Yorkshire puddings, isn't it, Mum?
It is.
Can't wait to try them, can you?
I'm looking forward to having this as a roast.
Definitely.
Everything else is nearly ready.
Perfect.
Shall I dish it all up soon? There you go. I thought that you would want to try the plant pork cheese and pickle Scotch egg.
I remember trying this last year. So delicious. I love it so much. It's so tasty.
Do we go and enjoy it with everything else?
Mm-hmm.
Come on then.
Here is the no beef Marmite roast. It smells incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It does. It's such a lovely smell while it's cooking.
That's absolutely incredible. It's so delicious.
Next to try will be
The Yorkshire puddings. And I love the taste of the Marmite too. It goes through it so well. Here are the Yorkshire puddings. Oh my gosh. They smell absolutely incredible, don't they, Mum?
They really do. The smell of everything cooking for this roast has been amazing.
It has been.
Nice and crispy.
They're absolutely incredible. I love how crispy they are, and I love how fluffy they are in the middle too. They're absolutely incredible.
Should we go and enjoy them?
Yes, please. Here is the no pork and apple sausage roll. Smells incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It does.
It tastes absolutely incredible. Just how I remember it from the products that we tried last year.
That's it. I know. I can't believe that it was last year that we had Sunshine Deli products.
Neither can I. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there. Shall we go and try them now, Mum?
I think that's a great idea. Come on then.
We really enjoyed trying all other products from the hamper, didn't we, Mum?
We did. It was really lovely to be able to have some things we've had in the past and some lovely new things as well.
too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the Sunshine Vegan Deli products.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, which products have you tried? Or if you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We love them all so much, and the Yorkshire puddings are great too, aren't they?
They really were. It was so lovely to finally be able to try the Yorkshire puddings, wasn't it?
It really was, and it was so lovely to be able to meet Sarah, her daughter, and her grandkids at the Camden Vegan Fair, wasn't it, Mum?
It was so lovely when we walked in and we could see Sunshine Deli was set up there for us to finally be able to meet them all.
If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there. It really was such an amazing time, being our first vegan fair too. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! A bye from Sarah too! Thank you.